This tutorial review will show you how to fix Roblox audio not working. Solution number 1. Click on the sound icon here and make sure it's 100% and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is right click on the speaker and open volume mixer, your Roblox option, and make sure to select your Roblox volume 100 and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Roblox and reinstall it, and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.